Hey everyone, welcome back to Ben's Experience. After using Hotjar for more than 2 years, I've decided to share what I liked about it and what I didn't. So you can decide if it's the right fit for your needs or not. So let's get started. Before going into details, let's start with how to create an account on Hotjar and link it with your WordPress website. As you can see, all you have to do is to give them your email address and verify it and start giving them some annoying informations about you. Setting up Hotjar on your WordPress website is a piece of cake. All you have to do is give them install the official Hotjar WordPress plugin on your website and activate it. Then copy your site ID from your Hotjar account and head back to Hotjar website and click on verify installation. And there you have it, your installation is successful. Now you have to enable the session capture. The free trial on Hotjar is super generous. Even after the trial period, it's still generous. What I love about Hotjar pricing is that it caters for everyone. If you're just starting out and not making money from your website, the basic plan is generous and free. If you're already making some money from your website, the $32 per month plan removes traffic limitations and unlocks filters to make analyzing visitors' data a breeze. Now let's talk about my absolute favorite feature, which is Hotjar recordings. As you can see, this is a Hotjar account linked to my to a new affiliate website that I created just 2 weeks ago. As you can see, I remove the highlights, the relevance, the user, the country is important for me, action and pages duration is important for me, device and browser and operating system is not I don't need them at this stage. I will show you where they became important for me. As you can see now, the information is easier to digest. What I look at every day, I log into my new website's Hotjar account is the date. This Now let's go to see the first time I publish on this website. The first time is it was August 12. This is the first article to launch this website, but I wait a little bit to 25 of August to start working heavily on this website. As you can see, 2 days after started working heavily on this website, I received my first recording. And this is the area on the bottom that is interesting for me. From this part, I can see where the visit is coming, the country, the device they use, and the most important, if it's coming from Google. And this is the video recording player, as you can see. As you can see, the video is like for me is like spying on my visitors. I see exactly where they stopped, where they clicked, where they scrolled fast or scrolled, and how much time they spent on each session. This is another recording. The video player bar, it's it's just looking at it at first glance, it gives you a whole story. For example, if the bar is larger, it means the visitor is scrolling the page. The clicks are showed with a white little white point. What I like about Hotjar is that its data is accurate. I verified that with Google Analytics, and they both showed me the same exact duration of a special session. This session is this one with a session duration of 1 minute 01 second. Also for the referral website, I also verified that with the search console, Google Search Console, where where the data on the countries are also the same with between Search Console and Hotjar. This is a roundup review article with a comparison table on the top and small reviews below it. The top area with they looked or the visitor stared at is this pro cons section of this yellow product. The second and the third place is the pro is also the cons of the blue product on the comparison table at the top of the page. From looking at this data, what I quickly got some conversion optimization ideas. The first one is strategic product placement. The first step I will do is I will give the blue and the yellow products prime positions to increase their visibility to potential buyers. The second idea I got is around content retention. What I decided is that not to remove these two products when updating this article. And when I switched from clicks to movement in the heat map on the right side of the page, from the right side of the page, I got even more insights. The last, as you can see, the majority of visitors looks or stared longer on the pros and cons of the first three products. And from this data, the last two products weren't resonating with visitors. Armed with this data, I know exactly what to remove and what to keep when updating this roundup review article. There you have it, my review of Hotjar tool. It's intuitive, packed with powerful features, and it can truly transform the way you optimize your website. If you want to dive deeper, head over to Hotjar website, link in the description, and explore what it can do for your website. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.